Good morning, everybody. This is your S&P 500 day trade setups for today. So a couple of things transpired on Friday, and the one thing obviously is the breakthrough of this structure here. And if you just take a quick look at that, you can see pretty much broke through the range back. We've gapped down this morning and we're kind of below this trend line, and that is rather interesting. So there's a trend line like that, or alternatively that would be the trend line there, which is kind of where we are at the moment. So I'm going to leave that trend line in. Let's just have a look. There's quite a bit of interaction here at this previous top of range, and you can see that's the one line, there's the next line. So that's the top of the range. We got through it, a little bit of a range bar with non-farm payrolls coming out, and then we kind of just sort of went up and then stuck around and did nothing. So for me at the moment, there's no real confirmation that we've got a serious breakthrough right now. So oscillators all grouped the upside. If you look at it on 8 hour as well, starting to group the upside as well. 3 hour definitely grouped up to the upside and crossed over, and we were already pointing to the downside, which is indicating a little bit of downward pressure. But you know, we flirted with this level for so long. I'm just going to put, it's actually a zone, so let's just put the levels in like that. So there's the previous high, which we've kind of broken through. That's 44.32, and then this level down here, which is 44.24. So that's kind of the zone. You can see we bounced around in that on Friday as well. So just coming to the hour, you can see this is messy. Range bar, pin bar, range bar, and then sort of a buy stepping in, but then there was a bit of profit taking. So Friday was a little bit of a chaotic day. Now, if you look at the oscillators on the hour, we're looking for support. I would expect us to come back down. 44.24 would definitely be an area that would get me interested. If we get through that, then obviously we have 44.16, but I would actually be more on the line of looking at that, which is probably around 44.14, 44.16, 44.14, and 4400. So we're looking to buy, but what we are looking for is a bit of structure. So the structure we held on Friday, you can see the break of the first level held. The break of the second level didn't really help us at all. So yeah, that's kind of the view that I've got at the moment, and probably 15-minute chart is the way to go. Quite a big gap down at the moment. So I suppose not so bad. It's 124 points that it gapped down. But yeah, so I think we're going to have to wait and see what happens in Europe. But I think a bit of a pullback is on the cards, and then we're probably going to be looking to buy back into this. One word of caution is we do have a few gaps below. So there's a gap here at 44.10. There's a gap right there. And then there's another gap right over here at 4400. So don't be too surprised to see us come all the way back to 4400 for a retest. So yeah, the structure break is in place, but it's not really a solid break. So from my opinion at the moment, what we're waiting for is we're waiting for pullbacks, we're waiting for price to get onto a level, and then we're looking to buy. It's a Monday, so no real outside influence or noise to influence us, so it's probably going to, yeah, price action will be key today, and that's probably going to drive everything. But yeah, you know, the moral of the story is that the last couple of days, weeks in actual fact, it's been by the pullback, so I don't see why you should change that. Just wait for the structure, get your levels in, watch the 15 minutes. If you start getting some decent price action on that structure, then it's a great opportunity to buy into it. And we are looking for a couple of levels to the upside. So obviously 44.50 is your first target. Then you're looking at 4,500 as your next target, and then ultimately 4,600. But those are your levels to the upside. Okay, there we go. That's it for me. Hope it helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.